Hey beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video is all about this coco trending hairstyle. And in this video, I show you two easy method for beginners friendly. Hopefully you're going to rock this hairstyle when it's still trending. And it's so easy guys to achieve this look. I use around 6 or 7 parts, and you can style this hair in so many ways. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Toy, and before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, because if you do so, YouTube will push this video to more people and it will help me a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe. The hair I use called Afro Kinky, and I cut on top. As you can see, in every pack I find there are 10 pieces, and each piece I stretch as you see, and then I divide into 3, and then I put the section on my braiding rod. So after I put my hair on the braiding rack, and then I go ahead and I start to part my natural hair. You may either decide to go with bigger section or smaller section. It's all up to you. So at first, after I finish to part, and then I apply some gel. I use this all sun gel, and then I redo the line again to get clean and neat sections. And then I go ahead with the desired size I want. Then I apply some gel on my hair in every section so that I'll be able to wrap the hair well. This is the first method. This method is 2 strands, while the 3rd strand is your natural hair. And this is how you are going to hold the hair, or you may hold the hair wherever you want. The point here is how to hold. So this is how I'm going to start to braid, and then I keep braiding. So after I braid 2 steps, and then I start to add hair, and as you can see here, I'm not adding in the middle section. I only add from under and above section. The middle one, I'm going to leave them just like that. As you can see, once I take a new section, I hold one side with my other hand, while other side I'm going to wrap on the middle section, and then I keep braiding. And then each section I only add 3 times because I want shoulder length. But if you want longer, you have to make sure you keep add more hair. So after I add my hair in 3 times, then I apply some gel on my natural hair so that I'll be able to tuck in my natural hair, and then I braid again like 2 or 3 more steps. Then I divide these 3 sections into 2 sections, and I make sure the section I will divide is not the section that it has my natural hair. And after I get to even twist, then I go ahead and start to make twists. Here we are going to make regular twists, but every time I make twists, I make sure I tuck in my natural hair because I want my hairstyle to last longer. So make sure you try your best to tuck in your hair. And then because we're using kinky hair and it has natural or afro hair texture, make sure you keep pulling and then twist, pulling and twist, so that you can get clean and good twist. So I twist till in the end, and then I roll, not bigger space, just a little, and then I roll back and wrap to avoid the hair to unravel. And then after I finish to wrap, I put the section on my palm and I roll to make sure I lock in everything. And this is how the hair looks. As you can see, even if you pull the hair is still on the place. The hair does not slide. And if that method does not work for you, go ahead and use this method number 2. Method number 2 is you will start to wrap once on your hair, and then after you braid 2 steps, the same, start to add braids on your hair. And the method I will use to add hair is just the same like the way I did in the first section. And then after I add 2 times, then I go ahead and divide these 3 sections into 2 sections. Then I start to make twists.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street like at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. Golden.
And because in the back it's a bit tricky to use wrapping method, I go ahead and I use these 2 strands while the third strand is my natural hair. And this is how I add hair to make the section look even and look in and stay in the middle. I don't want the middle section to be at the side. So this is how I hold the hair, and this is how I add the hair, and then I keep braiding. So after I finish to add hair 3 times, and then I make sure again I apply some gel on my natural hair, and after that I divide this section into 2. Then I can start to make twists inside way. That is easy more than to start to wrapping. The section will not be at the middle. The section will look a little bit aside. Hopefully this makes sense. Yeah, so after I finish to braid, this is how I make twists. Once you get used to braid your hair, you'll find out your hands are not hard. But in the beginning, it will be so hard. When you braid, especially in the back, your hands are going to hurt so bad. But once you get used into it, I'm telling you, you're going to braid like easily, like never before. Like, I've been doing my hair for a while, and let me tell you, my hands are not hurt wherever which side I braid. I'm very comfortable when my hands are used into it.
When we meet, hold my hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street like at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden.
So here I'm done with braiding. I'm going ahead and add some mousse on my hair. I make sure I use enough mousse. I apply on my twists. This it helps to make your hair shiny and smells so good. So I make sure all parts or section gets some mousse, and then I go ahead and add a little bit more and I put in the end of every twist. If you feel it's a little bit hard for your hair to become dry, go ahead and take your blow dry, and then you have to put low heat and then blow your hair for about 1 minute, and here we are good. This is the final look for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. So here I go ahead and I add some accessories on my hair. You may use any kind of accessories you want, and if you are not the accessories person, go ahead and enjoy your style. And this is how the hair looks at the back. You can see how full my hair it is. And guys, yeah, this is all about today's video. Hopefully you enjoy and you get something. If yes, honey, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.